This is the Matryoshka cube. At first glance, it looks like a fused cube with 2x2 bandaged corner chunk, with another little 3x3 nested on the inside. However, when you give it a turn, you'll notice that when you turn a face on the outer 3x3, two faces on the inner puzzle follow along. And this is true of all three of the available turning axes. This puzzle consists of two different 3x3 variants. The outer cube is a typical fused cube, a 3x3 with a 2x2 bandaged corner chunk, where only 3 face turns are available. The inner, smaller cube is a puzzle known as the Enabler Cube, originally invented by Oscar van Deventer. This puzzle features a special corner, and only faces that the corner is directly touching are allowed to turn. For example, right now, the red face is no longer touching my red, blue, yellow corner, so this face cannot turn at all. In the Matryoshka cube, these two puzzles are linked such that the two special corners, this 2x2 chunk and this special corner on the Enabler cube, are connected. So for example, when I turn the white face on my fused cube, it drags along the top 2 layers on the internal Enabler cube. The resulting puzzle is a subset of the complex 3x3, which is a mathematical concept involving all possible real and imaginary pieces on a 3x3 puzzle, which I will not go into because, frankly, I don't really understand it. This is the Matryoshka cube. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, also someone on the forums really wanted me to scramble this, so that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm totally gonna play back this footage and undo everything so that I can have this puzzle solved again. Okay, that looks scrambled enough for you. Hopefully I can return that back to its normal state.